Hi, and welcome back to another activity for EAPS outreach now. What we have today is a very simple rain cup activity for primary students. So think PK up to maybe second grade level. And so we want them to understand the foundations of atmospheric science. And so the clouds are made of water is what we want. We want them to understand that, and that's where we're going with this one. Once the clouds have too much water in them, and then it falls to the sky as rain. And so we have polyester fill we have here, and so by putting some of that in the top of a clear cup, then just have a dropper. An eyedropper is all this is. If you don't have an eyedropper, you can obviously use the medicine dropper things. And then have the students start dripping water throughout the top, and just have them spread it out. It doesn't really matter. And this one was a little wet because we've done this activity a little bit ago, and so this was a little wet. So it'll take a few times before they actually start dripping through. But what I like about the polyester fill is it will start. I mean, it's dripping through now already for us, but it will, once it starts dripping through, it drips through in different places, just like rain. And so it looks like rain in a cup. And so, which is what makes this activity kind of fun for little kids. Very, very simple activity. Yeah, I'm impatient, just like the kids. I'll shoot a little extra in there too. But very simple activity, very cheap to do. If I do this fast enough, you might be able to get to see it a little better on there. And it's raining inside the cup in all the different areas. And so for the kids, we want them to understand, once again, the science behind it for their level is clouds are made of water. Once there's too much water in the clouds, they can't hold anymore, and then it falls as rain. So it's what we want the little ones to understand. Once again, very primary activity, very simple activity, and it's a nice visual for them, and it helps them get the grasp of what those big fluffy things in the sky are. The only concern I had is the fact that we were using white fluffy stuff as our material, but it seems to be the best stuff that we have to actually be able to make this work. We've tried some other things, and so just make sure that they understand that the clouds are actually all water and it's just made of water. Thank you very much, and good luck with your science.